Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, another curfew has been imposed in Kingston, Jamaica. So let's get started and let's get into this article. A section of West Kingston remains tense after a man was chased and shot dead by gunmen in the volatile area late Monday. The deceased have been identified as 26-year-old Adam Clark, a resident of Water Lane in West Kingston. Reports are that about 9 p.m. residents heard explosions coming from Bread Lane and went to investigate. The body of Adam was subsequently found with multiple gunshot wounds. No motive have been established for the killing, which occurred in the same day that the state of emergency in the section of the corporate area, including West Kingston, was set to expire. The police on Tuesday imposed a curfew in the Kingston Western Division in accordance with the Law Reform Zone of Special Operation, Special Security and Community Development Measures Act. The curfew began about 6 a.m. and will remain in effect until 6 a.m. on Friday, January 11th. Today is January 8th. The boundaries of the curfew are as follows. North, along the Racecourse Lane, Blunt Street, from the intersection of Little King Street, traveling the fence line, forming the western periphery of the Golden Heights housing development. Also, annexing the north and eastern section of the said development, traveling south along the paved gully and continuing to the section of William Street and Upper Rose Lane, east along Rose Lane from the intersection of William Street, continuing south along Rose Lane to the intersection of Beeston Street and Rose Lane. South along Beeston Street from Rose Lane, continuing west along Beeston Street to the intersection of Spanish Town Road, and southwest along Spanish Town Road to Little King Street, excluding Denham Town High School and Denham Town Police Station. West along the Little King Street from Spanish Town Road to the intersection of Racecourse Lane, Blunt Street. During the hours of the curfew, all persons within the boundaries are required to remain within their premises unless otherwise authorized in writing by the ground commander. So this is basically the same curfew or same setup or same strategy they have implemented in the Augustown curfew. And I don't understand why they're making it public when these curfew are supposed to end, because I feel like that's why these people are doing what they're doing. When they know the curfew is about to end, the crime rate spike. Start disclosing when the curfew is about to end. Just warn the public that there is going to be a curfew imposed and people are supposed to be in their house within a certain time frame. Okay? Stop giving these people ammunition and leeway for them to commit murders. And also, please, we need a strategic crime plan to reduce crime for 2019. Please don't do the same thing you did with 2018 and use Zone of Special Operation and State of Emergency as a band-aid. We need a strategic plan, a comprehensive plan that outlines everything that we need to do for our country to become more safe. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.